15 must-know morning routine phrases to speak English naturally. 1. Wake up. I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. 2. Get up. I don't get up immediately after I wake up. 3. Stretch. I always stretch my arms when I get out of bed. 4. Yawn. She yawned loudly before heading to the bathroom. 5. Open the windows. I open the windows to let in some fresh air. 6. Brush teeth. I brush my teeth right after I wake up. 7. Wash face. He washes his face with cold water to feel fresh. 8. Take a shower. I like to take a shower every morning before breakfast. 9. Get dressed. After my shower, I get dressed for work. 10. Eat breakfast. She eats breakfast with her family every morning. 11. Make coffee or tea. He makes a cup of tea to start his day. 12. Pack lunch or bag. I pack my lunch before leaving for school. 13. Check phone or news. I check the weather on my phone before going out. 14. Leave the house. I leave the house at 7:45 to catch the bus. 15. Commute. My commute to work takes about 30 minutes.